In this video we will learn how to draw and edit stairs and rails. We can create very easily any type of stair. Firstly, we select the calculation method. We can select the tread and stair string or color in 2D and 3D as well as the appropriate material. Then we define the geometry of the staircase by using points. We enter the first point, the second, the third and the fourth, in order to shape the staircase. We select the staircase to define the parameters of the rails. We can choose a handrail or a wall over the outlines of the stairs. We can easily connect relevant walls to the staircase. We can also draw the rails of a balcony or a terrace. We select the rail drawing from the existing rail types of the library, or we can create a new one. For now, we select a certain rail type from the library. On the Rails dialog box, we define the dimensions, the 2D and 3D colors of the rail wall and handrail. We can draw rails either by defining the edge points or through a polyline. For now, let's give the edge points of the rail. We can modify the outline of the rails by adding or moving points. First, we select the segment to add the new point, and then we insert this point.